Hi there guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER we're going to be looking at how to convert objects to their own guides. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we do have a variety of different softwares we cover, and also we upload training videos daily. So you can just keep an eye there for any new content. Now if we head back in the program here, now we've kind of run through the basic guides before, but like I said, today we're going to be looking at how can you actually make guides from objects you've placed in your scene. So it could be just about anything that's vector based. So then obviously your normal guides will be from these rulers. You click and drag, but like I said, let's just remove these. We will not be looking at them. So what you can do is, let's say we take this shape, we can even, let's say we make a circle or something, and then I can maybe even try the text. I'm not sure 100% if it works on text. So if we select all of that, you can also just single select a item, doesn't have to be multiple. Then what you want to do is on your main menu, we navigate to arrange, and then we navigate down to guides. And under guides, they have this option here, make guide. So if we click this, nice, with some text as well, you can see it turns it into a guide for you. Obviously you can select it like a normal guide, move it around. So this allows for having very nice, unique custom guides. Now obviously you can do the same thing, arrange, you go to guides and you can go lock guides. Now we actually cannot edit this. So if you want to make sure that your guides stay in place, because it's normally the purpose of a guide, but sometimes you need a floating guide where you can move it around. Then another thing we can do is, let's say we select those same ones. You can also just select one object if you want, but in my case I'm going to be selecting all of them. Okay, it looks like the drag and select doesn't work with that. So there, got them selected. Then we can go to arrange, guides, and this now, let's say you want to release it, so you want to make it back to a shape. And so the same place, arrange, guides, and then release guides, and then I'll turn all of them back to shapes for you. Like I said, it's a very handy tool if you need custom guides. Like let's say you do need a circle, or something that line. So instead of not customly dragging new guides, you can always just turn those shapes into guides. But otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, like I mentioned in the intro video, we have a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also if you're looking for any specific video and you don't want to manually go through the list, you can always go here to the search option on the top right. Just click in there, type in what you're looking for, and hit the little search button there, and then it will isolate your search for you. But if you still don't find what you're looking for, you can always also go here to request a training video, fill in the little mini form, and then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.